So, do you have any special reason behind learning English?
Right now, there is no any basic reason, but yeah, I was eager to learn this language. I had fascinated about this language since childhood. So that time I didn't have any environment. So how can you speak? But nowadays, teaching and learning process has one different way. You can learn everything from the YouTube channel, right? You have if you have a passionate about anything, so you can learn. So that's the reason. So I thought, okay, yeah, I should I should try, but goes to try to learn this thing. Okay. And initially I was I was faced so many difficulty while talking, because that time I was speak broken language, and I was not be able to speak a single word, and I was not be able to convey my thought proper way. So I had started, working on that. So yeah, now still I am learning. I can't say I have become fluent speaker. Not, still I am learning. And learning process, you can learn every day, right? Learning process, it is a long last process, right?
Okay, okay, okay. So tell me one thing. Do you practice your speaking English on online, or you also practice your speaking English on offline?
No, I have only WhatsApp group. I have one of WhatsApp group, so I talk different people offline. So yeah,
Okay,
and
okay.
sometimes I speak
As you,
by myself, and yeah, that's it.
okay, as you said, you are married. So do you practice your speaking English at your home, with your husbands, with your kids?
To be honest, sometimes I speak not every day, because I am comfortable talk on only a mother tongue, right? Everyone comfortable to talk on
What's
mother tongue, but sometimes I feel like I have to talk in English language, so I talk. I try to talk, but
what's
basically I
your
speak language. Mm.
what's your mother tongue? What's your mother tongue? Hindi or something?
My mother tongue name is Mathili, because I belong to Bihar. So Mathili,
Met.
yeah, Mathili language.
Okay.
My
Can you say
language
something?
name is Mathili, yes,
Can
and
you?
Hindi as well, because I live in India. So yeah, and basically everyone speaks Hindi language, and
Okay,
uh,
okay.
and if talk about English, so I am working on that.
Can you say something in Mathli language?
Do you want to hear?
Yes, yes. I want to hear something about your language. How do you say? How are you?
Okay, so अहाँ केहन छी?
Aha kehenchi.
Hmm.
Okay. So how do you say first your name?
Okay. अहाँके की नाम अछि?
Aha ke ki namage. It is like very easy, like Hindi language.
Yes, a little bit similar. You can, you can understand.
Yeah, yeah, I understand. And
Yes.
and I also understand Hindi language very easily, but I can't speak. So how many languages do you know?
Only two languages, and
You're
including,
learning.
yes, and English language. I can't including English language, because I am working on that
Okay.
English language. So yeah, and if talk of include English, so three languages I know. I can't say I'm a good speaker. I'm not a fluent. I don't have so much consistency about English language. Sometimes while speaking, I make a mistake a lot. So I feel like I have to practice more and more.
Okay, okay. What do you think about me? How long have I been practicing my English? Can you guess?
Okay, what do you say? What did you say?
Uh, Can you guess how long have I been practicing my speaking English? Can you guess?
Okay, I think 1 year. Yeah, 6 months.
No, no,
No?
no. I have been practicing my speaking English 2 months ago. It has been 2 months.
My God. I can't believe it because you speak.
Actually,
I can.
yeah,
Okay. Tell me.
actually,
Hmm.
actually, I
Which type of
practiced.
strategy? Which type of strategy do you adopt? Enhance your communication every day.
Actually, yeah, actually, I practiced my speaking English regularly, and I continuously practicing. And every day, I try to make conversation with anyone. And I make conversation from India. I have many friends from India, and I practice my speaking English also, chatting, making video conversation in audio conversation, and also I watch English movie, English broadcast video, English conversation video. And I told you before, I'm doing a part-time job in a local school as a teacher. I teach them also English subject, and this teaching also helped me to improving my English.
Yes, that's what I wanted to ask. That which type of which subject do you teach? So, but you had already mentioned.
Yeah,
You have already mentioned. Okay, okay.
actually,
You teach English, so it's a good thing because you are learning English language as well as you are teaching. So what happens? You can enhance your communication as well as you can grab new vocabulary, new thing, how to make sentence, how to make structures, right? So you are still learning and teaching. First of all, before teaching, you have to prepare. You
yes,
will have
yes.
to prepare yourself. Yeah, I have to teach to student this thing and that thing. So this is also good, and you are doing great job.
Always I do it.
Okay, so I think I can guess, after 6 months, after for yeah 6 months, you will have become plenty speaker.
Obviously, I also wish it can prepare me. Okay, obviously, I will be fluent speaker within 6 months. I believe it if I practice regularly this way.
This is also good because no, no, and as much you are speaking practice every day, so your mouth muscles would be habitual to speak this language without and when you start speaking to any person without thinking, you can express everything because your mouth muscles has gone habitual.
Yes, yes, you are right. So
Yes.
already we're talking 21 minutes. Before ending our conversation, I wanna know what types of food are you cooking now?
Okay, yes, I am making pulse and rice.
Okay.
Pulse and rice.
So like
Do you know
rice and
pulse? Huh?
pulse. What is pulse?
Pulse, how can I say? Dal.
Okay, okay, I understand now.
Dal and chawal.
Do you know how to speak Bengali
Bangla.
language?
No. I don't know how to speak Bangla language.
Okay, we
Only
also call dal
Hindi,
in Bengali language.
right? What
We
are you
also
saying?
we also call dal in our Bengali language. Dal.
Dal.
Yeah, dal.
Okay, dal. Okay. Dal and bhat.
Yeah, dal and bhat. You're right.
Yes, yes. In my language, also speak chawal, dal. Bhat. Yes, chawal.
Bhat.
In my language, speak it is a set the bhat.
Okay. Do you know before eating rice we called it chawl in our Bengali language. After cooking we call it bhat.
Bhat. Yes, I know. I know. In my language also, everyone speaks. Everyone and everyone said. it is a said, how can say, everyone is said to bhat after cooking rice. After
Okay,
cooking
okay,
rice, yes,
I
and
understand.
rice is said bhat, dal bhat. Most of the people,
Okay,
yeah, they say bhat, dal bhat.
okay, I understand. So, for sure,
Bengali language and math language, little bit. Not I'm not saying like a huge different, but yeah, like in your language, cha khabo, like this, right?
cha khabo. Yeah, yeah. In
Huh?
Bangladesh, yeah, we called it cha khabo.
Cha khabo, yes. So how can how can eat cha? Everyone
Cha.
drink tea. Everyone take tea. Everyone take tea. Like a sip types of, they have tea. But but in your language, said your language is said cha khabo.
Cha khabo. So, how do you say
Khana
how?
and eating and drinking both are different. Drinking you can take a little like a drink types of, or you sip types of, okay, and you are eating, so it means in your hand, okay, you have to okay, you have to take with the hand. You have to have
Okay,
take, you have to eat with hand, anything, right? So this is a called khabo. It means eating, right? But in your language, cha khabo. So
okay.
how can
How
khabo?
how do you say how? Okay, listen to me. How do you say in your Maithili language cha khabo? How do you say?
No, no, no. In my language, no one's, no one says like a chai khao. Everyone says, okay, chai pee lo. Like you can take, you can drink and you can have tea. Yeah, chai pee lo. Not
I
say chai
feel
khao.
actually in my language we usually say this sentence cha khabo.
I have
চা
heard
খা-
many
চা খাবো
times.
listen to me চা খাবো পানি খাবো water পানি
Yeah,
খাবো
yeah, I know, I know, I know. Because most of people who belongs to Bengali, so one of people they are neighbor. So a little bit I know Bengali language, not a proper. I can't speak proper way, but I can understand.
I think our Bengali language is very easy. If you
Yes.
try you can learn easily and I have a friend from West Bengal and most of the friend know Bengali language.
Mhm. And then the Bengali language is a sweet language, I can say.
Thank you so much. And you know about my language. We fought against another country for our language. Do you know about our history?
No.
In 1971, we fought against Pakistan for our language.
Okay, Pakistan. Okay, so you belong to Pakistan.
No, no, no. You don't understand. Uh, have you heard this history? We fought 1971 against Pakistan for our Bengali language for 9 months.
No, no, no. I have not heard. I think I was very weak at history.
Okay, okay. Actually, uh, it's a memorable story. 9 months we fought for our language against Pakistan.
Okay.
And in Bangladesh, 30 lakh people were murdered.
Okay. They have been murdered.
Yeah, yeah,
Bengali people.
yeah, Bangladeshi people by Pakistani soldiers
At
in
Pakistan.
yeah, in 1971.